What up, guys? How you guys doing? This is Herman here from Advance Motorsports. Thank you for tuning in. Again, don't forget to subscribe and put the little bell so you can get notifications of our new videos. Today we're going to be working on this 2017 Yamaha Bolt. All we're going to be doing is changing out the spark plugs. Very simple. Let me show you what you're going to. Alright, real simple. A ratchet 5/8 socket for the spark plug. I would like to use an extension that has a little swivel motion for it. It makes it easier. An Allen, okay, that's going to be for the cover, the bolts on the cover on the cylinder for the backside, and an extension so you can reach in, connect it, and set it up. So here we go, front cylinder. See, this cover doesn't get in your way, but in the back cylinder it will. You get it on there right, get a nice pull. This spark plug was actually loose. That is alright, the spark plug's out. You see how the spark plug gets stuck to the socket? That's a really good one, snap on. Okay, the extension, pull it off, we'll pop on the new spark plugs. Alright, here we go. These are the spark plugs we're running. Okay, we always go with the top of the line. The iridiums will kick ass. It's a much better spark plug, gonna produce more spark, and it actually works a lot better, lasts longer. Okay, so we're gonna drop this in here, get that set. Nothing but the best. This stuff you can buy here at our shop, Advance Motorsports. Alright, once the plug's in, just make sure you push this nice and down hard, and you hear the grinding sound, so you know it's all the way in. Let's go to the back side. Okay, we're on the back side cylinder, which is on the right side. This is where you're going to need the Allen. Okay, to take off the Allen bolts. I already loosened these up. So it gives you enough room to pull out the actual spark plug, which I already did here. Then you have the axis, so you can remove the spark plug, which I already did there too. With the extension, just go ahead and hand tighten it. Makes it easy. And then you go at it with your ratchet, hand tighten it, and then you get your torque stick and do them to torque specs if you want to do that kind of a specific tightening, which is always recommended because people are new and they will over tighten or leave them loose. Make sure you push it. You hear that? That means it's all the way in, buddy. Now we can put everything back. Alright, once we've tightened everything down, spark plugs are in. That's pretty much it. That'll be it for this bolt. Don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell so you can make sure you go ahead and you are up to date with what we got posted on the YouTube channel. AM Racing, thank you very much, guys. I appreciate the viewing. I hope if you guys have any questions, you could go ahead and hit me up. And we'll knock this one out of the ballpark again. Advanced Motorsports Racing. All the tools, all the contacts, cleaners, anything that you guys need, spark plugs, we carry them here. Give us a call. We can give you all those specs. Thank you. Don't forget to tune in and like us on Facebook, YouTube, Instagram.